Good morning, Eagles. This is Mrs. Hesterman coming to you from my living room, and it is very early in the morning, so I don't want to put you through having to see me. But I wanted to give you an update on our March Madness um, brackets. We are in the homeward stretch, friends. We are down to our last two books for this bracket. But before we get to that, let's talk about what happened over break with our bracket number 3. So we had Game Changers up against I Am Farmer. Sadly, I Am Farmer got trounced by Game Changers. Game Changers blew that one out of the water. But on the fourth grade side, things were much more interesting. I wasn't sure how this was going to end up, but it was a very, very close race between Journey and Mission to Space, and Journey won. So Mission to Space is out. Now, let's look at some things that will be going on over here. We are replacing this book right here, The Proudest Blue. We are replacing that with a book called Hair Love. And that will be going against Rescue and Jessica. And then over here, nothing will change on this one. We will do the Undefeated against Penguin Flies Home. Interestingly enough, the Undefeated is the Caldecott winner for 2020. So for fourth grade friends, that should be pretty interesting to you. If you remember when we did the Caldecott with you in second grade, it was a pretty big deal. So enjoy that, the Undefeated too. So what will happen here is this week we will get our final, we'll be down to the final 4. So after we get the answer here, the winner here, and after we get the winner here, then all of these will be going against one another, and then things are going to go very fast from that point on. So I know it looks like we're still in March Madness, but with spring break and just transitioning to virtual learning, things are a little bit behind. Not really, but we should probably start calling this April Book Madness instead of March Book Madness. So hope you are all doing well, and I miss you very, very much.